What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we got no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna start the day. We're gonna start this ram up, let it warm up. It is getting a little cold, guys. Actually, we're supposed to be getting some snow this week, but we will not know nor see it because my phone's ringing and because we're gonna be in the desert. Now, first things first, guys, is let's start this girl up. What in the heck we got going on over here? All right, what do we got? We got almost 5,500 miles on this thing, guys. She's getting old. I don't know. Let's see here. Woo! All right, guys, we've just got back. Sorry, I completely forgot to film what I was doing, but we got some goodies over here. Some parts, some Can-Am parts, and then also we picked up some big hose clamps because what I want to do, I want to try something. So I've had a lot of you guys tell me, Eddie, have you pulled the foam out of this thing yet? I don't know if this has that piece of foam in the filter. Also, some of you guys told me there is like a, I don't know, something in there to pull out. I've heard from a lot of people not to pull it out, and then I've heard from some people pull it out. So I heard from some people, if you do pull this, I don't know, cone, whatever is in there, it can, I guess it can make the turbo not work properly. So supposedly that, and I'm gonna open this up right now. I picked some of these up right here because the clamps that are on it, they're like a one-time use. Maybe you can put it back on there, just a pain in the butt. But some people tell me there's foam. Some people tell me there isn't foam in the 19s. Some people say leave it in because it, I guess, circulates the air better for the turbo. I don't know. What we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna open this thing up and see pretty much what's in here. If it's the same design, if there is a piece of foam in there. If there isn't, you know, just let's open this up and see what's going on. Plus, I want to check the filter anyways. Actually, we got my buddy Chad coming over with his 3500. I think he's got a stock intake, so what we should do, this will be good. I'm going to actually pull his out, and I'm going to compare the two. Compare my Cone Chingus, whatever the thing is that's in there, compared to his. Now, his, I believe, has a piece of foam in it, and I think we can, well, I heard from a lot of people you should take those out because they come apart, and some people have told me they've sucked theirs into the turbo and it's destroyed their turbo. So when he gets here, we'll just, I don't know, take it out and compare the two. But right now, let's start pulling this bad boy off. All right, guys, I can hear him. Oh, there he is. So I'm gonna ask him real quick if he has popped the foam out of his or not. We'll see. Say what's up to the vlog, Chad.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, have you taken your piece of foam out on your filter? Yeah.
I put a can in.
Oh, you did? Open the hood. Let me see yours real quick. All right, guys. Maybe we can't. Maybe his is not going to work for our situation. Oh, okay.
I still got
You
this,
put, yeah, but did you? Did you pull like that cone out or the foam?
No.
Because people are saying the foam comes apart.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, and like it's sucked into the turbo.
Oh, no, I haven't.
Okay, guys. All right, this will be a perfect video. So, all right, we're gonna pull yours off and pull mine off. We're gonna compare the two. But what we're trying to figure out is, does mine have the foam? Do the 19s come with it? I believe yours does. So we'll check and see.
Bees in there.
Oh yes, damn, dude. You need to clean that thing.
I just put it in like 6 months ago.
All right, guys. So, yeah, it's pretty dirty. We gotta clean that. So it looks like, looking in his, he's got a filter that's in there. I guess let's just see. How many miles do you have on this? Almost
143.
143. So we'll see the condition of this filter, see if it's coming apart at all. All right, guys. So we've popped this one off now. This is that cone. What in the hell? Doesn't look like it's on right. What do you think? Look like a fish. So what I've read, guys, and researched is pull the filter off, but keep this in there because this supposedly allows the air to go in like a tornado effect for the turbo in there to, I guess, spool quicker and better. But right now, well, we're gonna get rid of this filter. Clearly, it's not even, I don't know when they put it in. Have you ever removed that or no?
No.
So it's just been like this forever?
The whole truck is stock.
Yeah. I heard it when he pulled in the bone stock. That part's really clean. All right, well, we might as well just pull this thing off and then install it. And let me know, you guys, comment down below if you guys have taken this out and noticed any loss of power. Supposedly if you take it out, you lose a little bit of power by getting rid of this. Also, guys, when putting it back in, notice there is a little tab right there and a little tab right there, and you will notice in here there's like those two little nipples sticking out right there, left and the right side. So you'll know, that you got it on proper, so you don't have this loose and flopping in there. And just to check it, I would turn it. Yeah, see, you can tell it can't turn no more, because if it's in like this, clearly that's wrong. That's wrong. You really can't put it in no other way. So if you try to go in this way, it's not gonna go in. You can only go in this way. That's it. I mean, it's pretty dang easy, guys. You can't really mess that up. All right, guys, so I'm looking in this one. It looks like there is no filter, but there is a cone in there. So we're gonna pull this off. Looks like this one doesn't have a hose clamp. You gotta break this thing off. And we're gonna pull it off and just see what this one looks like, if it looks any different than Chad's 2014 outside, or it's the same thing. All right, guys, so we've popped it off, and it looks like this came out of here. I don't know if you saw what came out of Chad's. His was a lot bigger. And then also, guys, be careful, because when I took this off, this part's like I don't know, this part just popped right off right here. So I guess I'm not sure the design or the theory behind this. Not sure if it works, if it's supposed to increase, but it's I don't know, it's a very strange design. And it looks like the same thing. Oh, this thing's just falling apart over here. Looks like there are two nipples, same thing, so you can't mess it up. One there and one right there. So when you do put them back in, you line it up with that little gap there and gap there. Ooh, look at that turbo. Nice and clean in there, though. Man, okay. Well, I guess there's no foam, and they changed the design. So we'll just put it back. Let me know if any of you guys have taken it out and noticed any power loss or power gain. I'm sure this is in there for a reason. I don't think it'd be in there to make it quiet. Only reason is because you notice there's no filter. They got rid of the filter and just have this whole design in there. Chad's was, actually, where's yours? Let's go grab yours and put them side by side. Chad's was a lot bigger and it looked more of like it had a purpose to it, because it had like a little, I don't know, fin, looked like a fish. And I don't know, it seems like his did more. Damn, look at that. So that's a pretty dang big difference right there, guys. Looks like his, yours like scoops. I would assume it scoops and throw the air. But the inside is similar. See, you notice they all have these little holes in them. Yeah, see the little holes in yours?
Yours is a little bit wider. So it must have made it shorter but wider.
Yeah, mine's a little fatter. Mine's fatter than yours.
Mine's longer though.
Yours is just longer, yeah. Mine's fatter. Mine's coming apart though too. Well, I guess just, yeah, I would take the foam off yours. That's about it. Clearly, they didn't put on this one. Well, guys, to me, that's a complete different design. But because I don't know much about this, I'm going to keep that in there and not going to take it out. Because I personally don't think you're going to hear the turbo that much more, especially having a filter with a sealed box. This filter is disgusting, though. We got some bees, got all kinds of stuff in here. So we're going to have to vacuum that out, put the new filter in. I mean, look at that. That's it's a big difference there. And for you guys asking, which I'm sure you're wondering, are you going to put aftermarket? Yes, I will put an aftermarket filter in there as soon as they come out with one. I think one company so far has came out with one, but I'm going to wait until they do a little more tests and see, make sure it's actually good, because a lot of these filters you guys put in, some are, you put it, you dyno it, and it actually slows the truck down. So the truck is running great right now with this filter. These things, these paper ones, they kind of suck. I wouldn't say they're anything special, but they're just easy just to go grab a new one from your local Napa store. swap it in there. That's it. If you're looking for one, the part number is 6930. But now we got Big Lou in here and the alkylator. We are, well, we're not really getting ready for the desert, but Big Lou got a tonneau cover. So we just installed that right now. He wanted something to sort of protect the hitch when he's not towing, instead of it getting rained on and beat up on. So, I mean, obviously, though, this weekend when we leave, we're going to be driving in rain and snow.
Yeah.
So it's going to be, again, pretty beat up.
I never thought, like, ever I would ever drive in snow over the desert. Yeah. How does that make
Honestly,
sense?
so excited.
It's gonna, yeah, it's gonna be snowing.
Videos. You know those like compilation videos where the people like the truckers are sliding all over the freeway?
I'm hoping none of that happens, but so there you have it, guys. Now you guys know that, you know, there is no foam in there. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.